Here comes the brief introduction of our respected chief guest, Dr. Vijay Madhavan sir. Dr. Vijay Madhavan is an acclaimed Bharatanatyam performer, choreographer, teacher and researcher. For his great work on Natyography, he has been recently awarded the sought-after Tanjore National Scholarship by the Ministry of Culture of Government of India. He has several accolades to his name, most noted being the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar Award from the Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, the Nartaka Nipuna title awarded by the Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, ABAI, the Yuva Kala Bharati title awarded by Bharat Kalachar, Chennai, the Nritya Kala Bharati title awarded by Samskara Bharati, Hyderabad, the Best Dancer awarded in 1996 by the Indian Fine Arts Society, Chennai. He is an A-graded artist of Doordarshan and an empaneled artist at the Indian Council of Cultural Relations. Dr. Vijay sir has performed extensively in India and several other countries including the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Europe, Singapore, Malaysia and Sri Lanka. He is a lead dancer featured in signature song Sendamil Nadinum Podinile of the popular Tamil television channel JRTV. He is well known for his intellectual sparkling choreography and the intricate calculator patterns, and his production, both solo and group, have been well received by the artists and art connoisseurs. Dr. Vijay sir is a part of performing ensemble of the famous Malatur Bhagavata Mela of over 30 years and is an acclaimed for several of his lead roles in their production. Dr. Vijay sir's scholarly articles have been published in several academic journals and magazines and have been widely appreciated. His documentation on the composition of Malatur veterans won him the Junior Research Fellowship by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Vijay's institution, Rachita Nrityalaya, focuses on spreading the classical art form through dedicated holistic training. His dance school has produced several accomplished dancers, academicians and teachers both in India, abroad for over 2 decades. On behalf of Sri Saraswati Kalalaya, we wish our most distinguished chief guest, Dr. Vijay Madhavan sir, to shine like a golden star in the artistic world.